Hi everyone. So how do I multiply this number here? These two numbers here. So my strategy is to say that I'm gonna first get rid of the I'll just write them in fraction forms because fractions are always easier for me. So I'm gonna say 84 divided by 10,000. There's 4 decimal places times 422. So I get rid of the point, so I get 4,224 times 10. Now, since my numbers, the options that I've been given are very different from each other because of the decimal places, I am going to take this 84 as 80, which means I only need to multiply the 8 with this chunk, with this number here, and then I can just put that extra 0. Now, had this number been 87, for instance, I would not multiply with an 80 but a 90 because it's closer to a 90. So 5 is your benchmark. So if it is lower than half of it, then you multiply with the first number, and if it is greater than its half, then you multiply with the next number. Okay, so multiplying 4224 by 8 is way easier than multiplying this by 84, right? So I can just do this in my head. 8 times 4 is 32, 2 and 3. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3, 19 and 1. 8 times 2 is 16, 7 and 1. 8 times 4 is 32, 33, and the extra 0. I cannot forget the extra 0 because if I do, I get a wrong answer. Okay, so I get this, and now I have to just shift my decimal places. So I have my decimal place here right now. I have 5 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So around 3.37. So now I go back to my options, and this is the closest one, so I know my answer is B. And I don't know, my text just disappeared. This is the 3.55 milligrams. So hopefully this has made some sense, and in the next video we'll do a few more problems. So this chapter is actually all about conversions and stuff, so you kind of get the hang of simple math and start getting used to it. For someone like me who hasn't done math in a while, it is really hard to get into the swing of things like these, but I'm sure with practice it'll just become really easy for me. So hopefully this has made sense, and I'll see you guys next time.